This is a brand new 2012 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults and a 4.0-liter V6. Its top features include a limited slip rear differential, skid plates, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a rear split bench seat, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, and an auxiliary power outlet. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Metroplex Toyota is located at I-20 and Wheatland Road. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.